What's going on YouTube? CEO in the making, back with another video, and today we're going to be checking out the Taotronics Soundliberty 80 True Wireless Earbuds. So these are another pair of open style earbuds, which means they don't feature silicone ear tips. 2020 has definitely been the year of true wireless earbuds. We've seen so many earbuds hit the market, many of which have been featured on this channel. And with so many earbuds to choose from, a lot of times it can be hard for companies or brands to really come out with something that stands out. But Taotronics has managed to do that with the brand new Soundliberty 80. Coming in at 80 bucks. These are a little bit higher priced than what we typically see from Taotronics, but I do think the price is justified. Not only do they stand out with their color changing design, they also have some really cool specs and features that you typically don't see within this price range. So stay tuned, we're going to cover all the details here in this video to hopefully help you guys decide if these are going to be a good pair for you. After you watch the video, if you are interested in grabbing a pair, be sure to check out the affiliate links down in the description. Also, feel free to check out the timestamps down there as well. So inside the box, you're going to get the earbuds along with the charging case. You're also getting a USB Type-C charging cable, as well as your usual paperwork and instructions. Taking a look at the charging case, as you can see, it fits very well inside the hand, and it's got a soft matte finish which feels really good to the touch. You can see you've got your Taotronics branding in the middle, and right underneath that you've got an LED indicator light to let you know your charging status. On the bottom of the case is where you have your USB Type-C charging port, and then over on the back you have a button which you can use to reset the earbuds. Once you open the case, you can see that the earbuds sit down inside like so. And overall the build quality feels good, so the case feels nice and sturdy, so it'll do a great job of keeping the earbuds protected. Moving on to the earbuds, which are the star of the show, you can see they have the long stem design with more of a tapered shape towards the bottom. The outside of the stem has a color changing chrome finish, which gives it an extremely unique look. The earbuds have a very ergonomic shape, which helps tremendously with the fit, which we'll talk more about later. So the earbuds are running Bluetooth 5.0, and they do support aptX, SBC, as well as AAC, so you're getting really good compatibility across all devices. As far as battery life, you're going to get roughly 4 hours on a single charge and up to 20 with the charging case, which is pretty typical for this style of earbud. They also feature fast charging, so just 5 minutes will give you an hour of listening time. You are able to listen to either earbud independently, so you can listen to one while the other charges. These also feature in-ear detection, which means that anytime you remove one of the earbuds from your ear, your music will automatically pause, and then once you replace it, it'll automatically resume. When it comes to watching videos and movies, there isn't any noticeable audio lag or latency, but let's go ahead and do a test to see how they perform. So these earbuds have a couple features which help them stand out even more. In addition to touch controls, they also feature slide controls. So in order to increase and decrease the volume, all you have to do is slide up and down the stem of the right earbud. In order to advance to the next track, you slide up on the left earbud, and in order to go back to the previous track, you slide down on the left earbud. Another really cool feature is the hands-free activation of the voice assistant. So when you're wearing the earbuds, all you have to do is say, "Hey TT," and the voice assistant will activate, and then you can give a voice command. So let's go ahead and try it out. "Hey TT, what time is it in London?" "Hey TT, what is the weather for tomorrow?" So the fit on these earbuds is absolutely amazing. The ergonomic shape of the ear tip along with the tapered design of the stem allows the earbuds to sit extremely snug within your ear. And with the earbuds being open style earbuds, there's very minimal ear fatigue, so they're also extremely comfortable. The touch controls and slide controls are extremely easy to use, and again, you can activate your voice assistant with just your voice. When you're wearing the earbuds, they're definitely going to grab attention and stand out. So if being subtle is your thing, these might not be for you. Now let's go ahead and talk about the sound quality. So as most of you probably know, the experience with open style earbuds is much different than with a sealed pair of earbuds. The sound is usually not as dynamic and you're usually sacrificing on bass, but these actually sound really good. They give you a very well balanced sound. So you're getting an even amount of treble as well as an even amount of bass, and the bass actually has a nice punch to it, which you typically don't see with open style earbuds. The treble comes in nice and clean without being pushed too far forward, so you're getting a really full-bodied sound out of these earbuds. Now let's go ahead and do a microphone test to give you an idea of the call quality. Alright, so this is a microphone test of the Taotronics Soundliberty 80 True Wireless earbuds. So this should give you a rough idea as to how you would sound if you use these earbuds in a quiet environment. Now let's see how they sound once we add some background noise. Alright, so we got some simulated crowd noise being played on a speaker. So again, this should give you a rough idea as to how you would sound if you use these earbuds in a more noisy environment. As always, you guys be the judge. So overall, I think Taotronics has done a great job of switching things up and bringing something different to the market. So again, if you're interested in grabbing a pair, be sure to check out the affiliate links down in the description. It does help support the channel anytime you make purchases directly through the links that I'll provide. So if that's something you're looking to do, I would greatly appreciate it. Also, if this video was helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, as well as subscribe to the channel. You can also follow me on social media to stay up to date on all the reviews that I'll have coming up. So that's going to be it for this video. As always, I'll see you guys next time.